Sports are always incomplete without spectators. It is spectators present that adds thrill in the match. They are the one who inspire, they are the one who motivate, they are the one who give a kind of an adrenaline rush. And I am also joined by spectators here at Bennett University. Sunny bright morning here. But what is different about the spectators? They are today's spectators and they say tomorrow they are also going to play this game. Such is the addiction of this pickleball game. Because whosoever watches, next time they want to hold paddle in their hand, they also want to try their hand inside the field. And let me talk to them. You're all spectators, you're watching today.
Yes.
For the first time you're here.
Yeah.
So how you are motivating and inspiring your teams? So what you shout and how you say?
We just go like pickleball, because of course it's the first time we are seeing this game, and a lot of universities don't have such opportunities. Like it's relatively a new game for all of us. Like we have seen racket sports such as tennis, and of course we have played them as well. But our university gives us the chance by showing us regular matches of pickleball, which makes us all a lot excited to try this game. You know, because we ourselves are also a sports person, so it's in us that we want to try out new games for us. So I think it's.
And we really thank the management committee to introduce us to pickleball. It seems like a privilege to watch this sport.
Like we're really blessed that our university had conducted nationals in our own university. Like we thank Vinny Jain sir for the vision that to organize the national championship. It's like a big deal to have it, and it's a sports committee as well. So yeah, we are pretty excited to watch this game and to play, try tomorrow.
Department as well.
When we talk about the Bennett University is known for its academic excellence also. But one thing more important about this university is that they take new initiative. How you see when new initiatives are being taken by your university administration here?
So I feel very proud to be a student of Bennett. It's taking new initiative. It's being very considerate about students, what they want to play, what are they interested in. So I will say I do want to hold the paddle soon.
You want to hold this paddle soon. And what about you?
I'll just say that I am a proud Bennettian and I feel very blessed to get an opportunity to watch this nationals, and yeah, thanks.
So you all want to play the game. So what is the thing that is exciting you about this game? Because many people I've been interacting with them, they said it's a 4-in-1 thing. So it's like a badminton, it's like a ping pong, it's like table tennis, and then you get a feel of lawn tennis also. So when you get 4 ka maza in one game, so why not to go for it? इसलिए वो 4 की खेलना.
I really like the sound of the ball when it hits the racket. It's
Okay,
really,
that excites you.
Yes.
और आपको क्या चीज excite करती है?
Like you can play 4 games in one game, so why not? Like
Why not to try it? And क्या चीज आपको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है?
It's very fascinating sports. That's
It's a fascinating sports.
enthusiasm is very great in them.
So आपके यूनिवर्सिटी में हो रहा है. So when you say it's a proud moment for all of you, तो आपको कैसा लगता है? Because बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज में इतने ज्यादा कोर्ट भी नहीं होते. यहाँ पे बताया गया है कि कंट्री में कहीं भी 14 कोर्ट नहीं है जो कि बेनेट यूनिवर्सिटी में.
I think when we look at other universities, they don't even have like normal games which are like such as basketball and volleyball. But in our university, when we see a game that is like such a new phenomenon and spreading so fast across India, of course we get proud, and to any people that we meet, we are like, well, our university has pickleball. Have you ever heard of that? So they do get intrigued that they are providing us with such good facilities. So yes, that's definitely a proud moment
sports,
for us.
that's very important.
So when I was interacting with people here, they said, this is not a Bennett University. Today it looks like a mini India. I said, why it looks like a mini India? They said, people from different states are here. 22 states, 350 sports person performing here, right from Kashmir to Kerala, Assam to Gujarat. So how you love this when you see that inclusivity and people coming together?
yeah, it's really cool when you go out and you see like people from all the states are there in your university to compete. So it's a really proud moment for you that you can witness all this.
And sports is something that brings all cultures together. So it's really fun to see a new sport bringing cultures together and having fun at one place. Yeah.
See, that's India all about. When we talk about India, it's all about heterogeneous culture. When we talk about India, it is pluralism. What is the strength of my country? The strength of my country is that unity in diversity. We may be fighting with each other, but we live together. And the best thing about this sports is building those bonds, bridges, and also connecting all these youngsters, channelizing their energy in right direction. And you can see a rest, the smile on their faces narrates the whole story. I have not to tell anything because sometimes you don't need words. Smile narrates the whole story. And see the smile on their faces. It's a proud moment for them that their university holding this national level tournament. क्या कहना चाहेंगे for the university authorities के लिए क्या कहेंगे आप?
Sir, we'd like to thank our sports department, especially Arun sir. He's always motivating all of the team players, no matter which sport we play for. Like he always tells us that we should go and appreciate other sports as well. So I'm very grateful to have him as our teacher and head of department. So that's all that I will say. And thank you.
Normally, you know what? Normally people say about about youngsters, they're more glued to their mobile screens. They don't want to see the world. But here in this university, we have seen that how the energy is being channelized by organizing such different sports here. आपको कैसा लग रहा है? How you are feeling? कैसा different लगता है जब ये ऐसा atmosphere देखते हैं?
Sir, actually the thing is, the sports department has very they always motivate the students to participate in sports and other extracurricular activities. So here students are not glued to their phones, they are experiencing, exploring all the other activities. So it's different in Bennett.
So अगली बार आप लोग भी हाथ में पैडल उठाने के लिए तैयार हैं?
Yes, sir, definitely.
तैयार हैं?
Yes.
जोर से बोलिए.
Yes.
How is the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Josh is high. That is really very important. They're ready to pick up the paddle in their hand, and next time they say, we will not be standing outside the court, but we'll be right out there. And you know the best thing about this court is that this is a smaller court. That means the bonding is more there. It's like eyeball to eyeball with each other. The players, despite being rivals, they interact with each other, and that is building that kind of a camaraderie. And that is the strength of my country, and that is the strength. Actually, all of them are really loving. And why these are different spectators? Today's spectators, and they want to be tomorrow's players. Because normally what happens, we just move out of the sporting arena, we forget the game because we just enjoy. But they don't only want to enjoy, but they also want to try their hands at that. So, you want to try your hand?
Let's go pickleball.
Definitely. Let's go pickleball.
Say
Let's go pickleball.
And you want to tell other youngsters also in the country to follow this?
Yeah, definitely.
Follow your heart, follow your dreams, and be passionate about things. And then sky's the limit. Pradeep Datta with Abbas for Times Now.